Okay, next up we have DEEPX and CEO Lokwon Kim, who's going to be talking, whose presentation title is Towards the Era of AI Everywhere. Please would you join me in welcoming Lokwon to the stage?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Lokwon Kim. I'm the CEO of DEEPX. DEEPX is a semiconductor company for AI everywhere. We are delighted to be participating in this event. The topic of this presentation is Toward the Era of AI Everywhere. AI technology has become highly sophisticated, and now it is time for AI to become commonplace. I think the most important thing for AI is to become ubiquitous so that we can use AI as a utility like Wi-Fi. Since 2010, there has been a great change on Earth. In 2010, the number of electronic devices connected to the internet was 5 billion. Now the number is heading towards 70 billion, which is 10 times the human population. The data emitted by these devices will reach 180 zettabytes. This means humans can no longer process data, and AI technology to replace human intelligence is needed. Even worse, more than 40% of this data requires real-time processing. This means the on-device AI is essential to process the data right away. I visited CES this year and made a surprise discovery. Object detection AI technology has been demonstrated by all camera and sensor-related companies. In addition, all wheeled objects are equipped with AI-based autonomous driving technologies. 6.5 billion camera sensors are sold each year. The sales of autonomous mobile robots will completely surpass automobiles in the coming decade. Given these facts, the future of embedded vision technology will become explosive. However, it has been a very challenging task to implement AI on-device. So on-device AI has not yet become ubiquitous. The reasons are as follows. Processing AI requires greater data and computations than any other algorithm created by humans. To make matters worse, AI algorithms are rapidly evolving and becoming more intelligent. Now, new mathematical operators and requiring more data and computations. In this respect, by nature, AI technology is ill-suited for edge device applications. This is because edge device has limited resources in terms of power consumption, cooling, data storage capacity, processing performance, etc. For this reason, it is difficult for the conventional solution to be widely used in edge device. The GPU-based solution has lower AI computation efficiency and high cost. They also have high energy consumption and poor battery life. Even worse, this can cause overheating, which affects system stability. Some NPU solutions improved performance and power efficiency, but there was an issue. They could not support the latest AI algorithms. This is because they could not support new mathematical operators and could not handle the overwhelming amount of data and computation demands in newer AI algorithm. However, application developers want the latest AI algorithms, like the one you can see in this video. Which one will you select for your products between two? A very easy question, right? Using integer arithmetic instead of the floating point is a key to power and area efficiency in resource-constrained edge devices. Normally, this results in AI accuracy drop. Compared to the GPUs, most solutions using integer arithmetic target less than 1% AI accuracy drop compared to the floating point processing. However, for application developers, even that 1% drop can be problematic in mass production. Edge devices refer to all electronic devices that exist outside the data center. There are various AI edge device applications. Each edge device, AI application has specific feature, performance, and cost requirements. This means that edge AI computational solutions must be optimized for various edge functions, support the AI processing performance required by each application, and must be highly competitive in price. As a result, a family of chips with different feature and different performance and different interfaces are necessary to cover a wide range of applications. Edge AI application developers demand an easy-to-use SDK. In particular, they have experienced developing AI models using GPUs, and they love the rich development environment of GPUs. The GPU development environment has been developed for decades, and there is a rich ecosystem created by countless users. In that respect, a rich development environment is the hardest point for new NPU technologies. Now I would like to talk about how DEEPX has addressed these challenges. Here we go. DEEPX is a company that started with the idea that humanity will run AI technology everywhere in the future. So, DEEPX slogan is AI for everyone and everywhere. DEEPX has 5 world top technical strengths. I would like to explain the first 3 strengths in this page. The first is to support state-of-the-art AI algorithm. DEEPX has been working hard to smoothly run the latest AI algorithm on its NPU. DEEPX NPU was the first NPU in the world to run object detection algorithms such as YOLO version 5, X, 7, segmentation algorithms such as BiceNet and PIDNet, and 3D object detection algorithms such as SFA3D. So at the end of this year, we will show a demo running VIT and YOLO version 8. Second, the AI accuracy. So compared to GPU solution, the DEEPX NPU approximates or exceed the AI accuracy of the GPU. So now you can maintain your algorithm to do the mass production. Third, we can provide the world best power and performance efficiency. So we can provide over top 10 TOPS per watt, and also we need to consider FPS per TOPS. It is a kind of actual processing efficiency. So we also provide highest number of that metric. So to do the ultimate metric, we need to consider about the FPS per watt. So in that number is we can gain that number by multiplying TOPS per watt and with FPS TOPS. So also we provide the number 1. Let me talk about what the products DEEPX has prepared for the edge AI applications, where requirements are diverse and the price competitiveness must be extreme. From the beginning, DEEPX analyzed the edge AI market and realized that it would be difficult to respond this huge market with a single AI semiconductor solution. So DEEPX created DXL1 for 1 camera applications and DXL2 for 3 or 4 camera applications. DXM1 is an AI processing accelerator that can process up to 10 camera inputs. DXH1 is a kind of PCI card, so we can provide AI processors for 10 1,000 cameras input simultaneously per server rack. The fifth and biggest technical advantage of DEEPX MPU technology is manufacturing cost. DEEPX MPU technology provides superior AI processing performance and high AI calculation accuracy compared to the competing technologies, while dramatically lowering the manufacturing cost. The key is that DEEPX uses less than a quarter of the on-chip SRAM size, about 7 megabyte, compared to the 32 megabyte or about 50 megabyte for competing technology. As you can see in the left below the Tesla FSD MPU die photo, you can see the 32 megabyte takes up almost all area of the photo die. So without just really only with 7 megabyte, we can provide 1/3 and 1/4 price competitiveness. We would like to introduce a practical example of successful collaborations with our clients. One of our clients was building a robot using a GPU solution. The customer was concerned about low AI processing performance, excessive power consumption, and overheating of the GPU solution for their battery-powered robot. After collaboration with us, the customer confirmed that DEEPX solution was better suited for mass production because of the power and performance efficiency. Let me show you a comparison between a GPU-based solution for edge applications and DEEPX MPU. DEEPX solution provides over 10 times performance to power efficiency and performance to cost efficiency compared to the GPU solution. Let's talk a bit more about DXL1. The DXL1 has a MIPI interface that can directly receive an image sensor input. In addition, ISP and video codec are integrated for image processing. And there is an MPU that can process the image data right away. This product is suitable for applying AI functions to small camera modules. DXM1 is an SoC for an AI processing accelerator. There are embedded platforms that already have strong application processors for embedded applications. Connected to these AI APs through the PCI interface, the DXM1 becomes a low power and high performance AI coprocessor. There are already over 10 billion camera systems in the world without AI processing capability. In this case, AI computations must be done on the AI processing server. Armed with more than 10 times power efficiency and price competitiveness, DEEPX has prepared DXH1 for minimizing carbon emission and total cost of ownership for AI computations. The DXH1 will be supplied in the form of PCI cards, server machines, and server racks. What DEEPX value most is the SDK. DEEPX SDK, called DXNN, allows application developers to select the quality and cost of model convergence with Lite, Pro, and Master options. DEEPX's goal is to minimize the expertise of using DXNN required by application developers. The DXNN has already been supplied to early customers, and we are continuously improving DXNN to meet our goal. A beauty of DXNN is that you can port various algorithms to DEEPX 4 different AI semiconductors products. I love to show a demo of the SORTA AI model called YOLO version 7, which is fully operational for all DEEPX chips. When we ran this algorithm on DEEPX MPU products for the first time, we started to strongly believe edge AI would become a huge industry. Please enjoy the demo showing AI technology running on DEEPX MPUs. So after watching this, do you agree that edge AI will become a huge industry? Another very easy question, right? From the beginning, DBX has discussed the business with hundreds of global companies. For the past year or so, we have led technical collaborations with 20 global customers. Now, as soon as the Forge AI chip solutions are developed, we're collaborating on mass production development. Today, we're going to talk about 3 examples of mass production development with our customer. The first collaboration with Hyundai Hyundai Motor Robotics Group. They are preparing 3 different commercial mass production products, as shown here. So they have used GPU-based solution for the prototype, but because of overheating, they couldn't go mass production stage with that solution. And they wanted to find a low power and high performance AI processor. So we have collaboration and POC, and then they proved our solution is good for low power and high performance AI process for their applications. The second is collaboration with Java Electronics for smart camera modules of automobiles. Java Electronics is a camera module supplier for Samsung and Apple smartphones. In the coming decade, camera will become intelligent and machine will replace humans in judging images. So semiconductor technology must be advanced enough to fit into a small camera module. So DBX has developed the DXL1 and L2 for these purposes. So now they are working for the European car maker for the DSM module. So that the first generation module only have their camera systems, but for the second generation, they want to integrate the camera and our AI chip so that the DSM module can be a kind of standalone operator. The third is collaboration with POSCO DX. POSCO is the world's best steelworks. There are 20 cameras in Pohang steelworks, but still, people have to do dangerous work next to the blast furnace. POSCO DX wanted to apply AI in order to eliminate human labor for such dangerous work. They needed a low power and high performance AI semiconductor solution. In addition, they wanted to have a robust solution for harsh industry applications. After POC with our solution, POSCO DX confirmed that the excellence of the DBX MPU, and then they also performed multiple empirical POCs, and then they finally confirmed that our solution can even useful for very harsh industrial applications. DBX product strategy is divided into chips and modules. DBX can effectively respond to various edge applications with 4 chip products. In addition, DBX is developing several functional modules for specific purposes. This can be M.2 module, PCB cards, and SOMs. We are also preparing collaborations with module business vendors. Thus, I would like to talk about one more important thing. DBX M.2 module has been tested for interoperability with open hardware platforms such as Raspberry Pi, Orange Pi, Latte Panda, NXP boards, etc. The M.2 module will provide incredible acceleration for AI workloads on the open hardware platforms, much like GPU cards do in PCs. Connected to the open hardware platforms, the DEEPX M.2 module enables real-time processing of state-of-the-art AI algorithms for more than 10 camera inputs. So we call this the Open AI Hardware Platform Initiative. Through this initiative, we can collaborate to the expanding the edge AI applications, because even students can use our technology. They can learn easily because we will release API source code so that everyone can utilize easily and develop for the applications. Let me summarize this presentation. We invite you to the DEEPX booth to show further evidences and explanations. Edge AI requires performance, power, cost, algorithm flexibility, AI accuracy, and easy-to-use SDK. DEEPX MPU can run SOTA AI algorithms, get the most accurate AI accuracy, achieve the highest performance, power, and cost efficiency. Here is the information for DEEPX booth, homepage, and others. Thank you.